Hey, I'm here for metalandmeat.com. I am some drunk guy, and this is going to be a pretty fucking cool unboxing. Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to grab the box, get myself a knife. Whoops. Get myself a knife, and you're going to see what I'm going to open. There's the box. Some knife. Brought a fucking beer just because no sense in continuing this sober. That was in my way. Alright, so beer there, box here. Can you see the box? You can see the box. That's perfect. Alright, you ready? Do it right here. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay, so there's a bunch of styrofoam in here. This isn't actually a box. This is not how you operate a knife. See where it's gonna go? Yeah, not gonna happen. Have to be careful with the blades. Fucking kill myself. Vacuum when I'm done here too. It's kind of an unexpected method of packaging. It came from China. So it seems like they're gonna find the cheapest possible way to box this shit up and send it to me. Kind of excited. I'm putting this off for a while. Ooh. Styrofoam's starting to give way. Plot thickens. This. Back to China. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Look at this. Huh? Got fucking hinges. Huh? The box itself is actually kind of girly if you look at it. It's covered in flowers and I don't know, plants. Nice little carrying handle. Fucking styrofoam everywhere. Beer. Ooh. That tastes pretty fucking good. So, what's in the box? You ready? iDubbbz does his money shot. Ooh. Styrofoam. Whoops. Styrofoam. It doesn't fly. Styrofoam. Ooh. Look at you. How do I open you now? There's plastic over here. There's some wood dowels here. I don't know why there's dowels here. Plastic wrap. I don't know how to get the plastic off. I don't want to ruin anything. It's really kind of in an awkward spot to kind of open. think I broke it. The plastic, I mean, not the sword. No, that didn't come off. Ooh, let's see here. Plastic only. This is hard. That's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I don't want to fuck anything up. That's gone. Knife. I think we're done with the knife. Ooh. Ooh. Smells like oil. And actually the blade is very nicely oiled. Semi-sharp, not sharp enough to cut myself with. Semi-sharp. It's got a nice, you see the, whoops, you see the design here? It's got a recess here for whatever reason. It's got this different coloration here between the blade and the, well, I guess this is the edge and the blade, I don't know what this is called, but it's all available on the Northshire, Swords of Northshire. Fuck yeah. Imagine fucking chopping someone's head off with this. And I've named him Metal. 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 I don't know which one you're going to be able to see, so I'm just kind of moving them around. This is Metal. Let's see here. See how well balanced Metal is? We're going to put him into action soon. Beer. Excuse me. So what Metal is, besides being a sword, he is the representation of metal for metalandmeat.com, a website that does not exist. I still want to know what to do with these things. A website that does not exist yet. The guy that told me he was going to help me make it has disappeared. The puff of smoke, he disappeared. And so now I've got to go find somebody else to make this website. But before he disappeared, I bought the name, so you cannot steal it. I bought the sword. And meat is coming soon. Metalandmeat.com. Don't check it out because it ain't there. Bye.